Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can set up your signature on your Gmail account and how you can set up automatic replies for your Gmail account. So let's get started. To set up a signature and automatic response, you'll go on the top right hand corner and click on this gear icon and then see all settings. Then you'll scroll down and here you'll see a signature tab. So create new signature and here you'll just name your signature. So I will call this Howtech and then create. And now I'll say Howtech again and then down I'll say uh, contact info and I'll just put in the email address. So it'll be howitech101 at gmail.com. And then here I'll just put in the YouTube link. So it'll be link. I'll just call this YouTube link. Okay. So now I want to change the font for these because it'll look very weird with the current fonts. You can also change font. There are a bunch of other fonts available you can try. Uh, there's also like a hyperlink. So for this one, I can add a hyperlink here. I'll just go select that, click on the hyperlink, and then just paste the hyperlink here and click OK. And I can also add logos or images to this as well. So if I want to add a logo, I'll just click on this insert image and then select the logo from here and then select. So you can also select the logo from your desktop, or if you have one in OneDrive, you can use that as well. I'll just use a medium because that'll look better for this. And you can also align the text. So if you want the text to be like in the middle, you can do that. There's like a bunch of alignment stuff as well. There's also, if you want them to be like a list, you can do that as well. But I'm happy with this, so I'll just stick with this. Or for this, I don't want this to be bold, so I can just remove the boldness from here, or I can just make this a regular fixed width or something else. I can make this one. Okay, yeah. So this is good, and so now I'll go down. So this is the signature. So you can also, so there are also a bunch of settings. So it says for new email, I can just select this signature, and to replies I can also select that signature. So what will happen is that if you are typing in a new email, this signature will be automatically attached to that email. It will show at the bottom of the email. And this one, if someone is emailing to you and you're responding back to them, or you're replying back, or you're forwarding that email to someone else, it should also appear at the bottom. Okay, and now this is the vacation responder. So that's how you can set up your automatic email. So here you can set up the date where the automatic email should start, and here the last date. But if you want there to be always like an automatic response, you don't have to put the last date, just put in the date where you want it to start. And here you just subject line, so you can call this out of the office, or anything that you like. It doesn't have to be this. And down below you can just have some sort of a template that can respond back to the person that, hey, I'll reach back to you within 24 hours, something like that. So that'll, like, every time someone email you, they will get back the automatic response from you saying that you will reach back to them in 24 hours or something like that. You can set it to whatever template you like. And after this, we'll just save this change. So this change is saved. So here you see the out of the office is set up. So this is sort of a automatic response that you're seeing over here. And the email signature that we just set up, we can also check that as well. So we'll just click here, and here you see I said new email, and here you see the signature right here. So this is the signature. Here you can have your own logo. If you want the logo to be before YouTube link, you could do that as well. You can have it. You can also have this logo bigger than this. I chose the medium size, but you can have it bigger than this. And if you have like bunch of signatures that you use, you can also select different signatures from here. So if you don't want there to be a signature, you just say no signature and it will get removed. Or if you have few signatures, you can select either one of them from here to the new email, and then it will go back. Okay, and here's the YouTube link. So if I click on this link, it will take me to my YouTube channel. So here's the link for that. So yeah, this is it. So and for the for if someone is sending me an email, they should get a response. I don't have any response set up, but I showed you how to do it. So whenever I receive an email, they should get an empty email from me. Is say out of the topic should the subject should say out of the office. So this is it for this video. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, please share this with your friends or anyone you think they'll benefit from this content. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.